Hey guys, what's up? So we have a pretty basic application here, just a button in the center. I want to go ahead and load an image that I have in my project folder right here, this ghost.jpg image. And what we want to do in our define init UI method, we're first going to go ahead and create a container object which will hold the image. And we do that by saying we'll call it hbox equals qt GUI dot qh box layout, and then we'll just feed self as the argument, and now we'll create image map equals qt GUI dot q, and it's going to be pix map for image. And this is where we're just going to go ahead and link to where the image is located, and it's right now in my root directory, so I can just say ghost.jpg. Next, we're going to create a label, and a label by default it aligns left and also aligns vertically center. So I'll show you in just a second what that means, but go ahead and say label is qt GUI .q label, and once again we're going to say self, and now we want to say label .set pixmap, and this is going to be the image map that we just created. And then we'll say label. Actually, before I set the alignment, I do want to show you something. So now we just need to say to our layout object, which we called hbox, and we'll say add widget, and we'll add the label that we just created. So when we do that, you're going to see that the image is on the left hand side over here. Now if I want to actually, and like I said before, by default layout puts objects on the is left aligned and then center vertically centered. So that's what this image is showing here. So now if I want to actually move it on the top right, in order for that to be able to get moved, we need to import something that you're going to use a lot within PySide. And what it is we're going to say from PySide import Qt core. And Qt core has a lot of stuff that you can use to actually align stuff. So we can align our label before we add it to the layout object there. So we're going to say set alignment. And there's all kinds of stuff that we can set it to, but what we need to do first is Qt core, which we just imported, Qt dot align. And you can see align absolute, that would actually put it top left, align bottom, center, horizontally center. At least I think that's what that is. Honestly, I don't know. But I want to go ahead and align right. And when we start the application, you can see that the image is on the top right. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.